Hi, Crafty Angels. Today I'm back with for day 30 for the weekly devotional. And here we go. God's bigger purpose. Butterflies and bees, they are both workers in more ways than one. While they are busy floating from flower to flower, drinking in nectar, they are also cross-pollinating. Their focus is on the nectar, but they're actually performing a miracle by creation without even knowing it. That is the way God works in your life too. While you are zeroed in on a specific task, such as simply going to work, He is working a bigger picture of touching others and blessing them in ways that you don't realize. It could be through a casual conversation in an elevator or an email that conveys patience instead of pressure. God is constantly working in the ways you don't see, which is good reason to let your light shine even for small things, and rejoice in being a servant of the King. I want to thank you all for watching. Please be blessed and be kind, be positive, and I will see y'all next week for day 31. Bye-bye for now.